EJ, Tarangwani Chairman. Soccer, makikisin na ang set din. Maraming salamat. Blue, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Service by jersey number 3. Service Ace. Service by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Service by Taylor. Number 12. Check play number 8. Pastor 189. Check play number 8. Service by jersey number 8. Another service powerful jersey number 8. Number 7, set by number 8. In favor of Bruce Angels Burger. Number 7, set by Pinalo. Jersey number 8 to number 7. See my tail. Or to win.
Tapang na no.
Service by number 7. Received by Ryan. Set by number 8. Received by number 7. And the score comes from Polish Angels 189. Score 7-4. 7-4. 3-4 lead. Pastor 189. Polish Angels. Vega, set by Taylor to Vega again, Broadway. Handball, comes up. Right center. Vega
Ang dabang ni Kurt.
Service by choosing number 4. Game 8. Transfer back to 187. Ace. Kinelo. Number 12. Number 3. Now, point para sa 187. Is 7-6. In favor of those by Jesse number 4. Set by number 8 to number 5 to Wesley. Ibabalik si Kaya ng ulit. Service by Jesse number 4. This is number 5. Jersey number 8 to number 3. Set by number 8 to 7. To 3 times for the pass of 187. Set by Taylor to 8. Change favor. Si Kaya na ulit. Lahat na ang 187. Isa sa mga set by number 8 to number 3. Check ball. Service by Casey number 5. Outside.
Lumangero. Domingo.
Domingo tae.
Ang giya. Ay, what is that?
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Gary Espanto. Number 7, set by number 8 to number 3. By Ace. All 9. Outside na. Naging touching pa. All 9 ang ating score. Totoo yan. Service by Jersey number 12.
Pero baka may next year.
Inside! Grabe na, grabe na, grabe na. Ano kaya ang physical? Substitution. 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 Wait up, wait up, wait up. Number 12 in, number 9 out. Number 12. Number 8. Number 3. Play over there. Service. Taking service. 72, Sandy. Number 10, transfer, also 189. Set by number 2, number 5. Okay, all 11. Defense, unlucky. Number 6. Contact violation. 12-11. Number 7 is Spider. Jersey number 3, J.D. Cruz. Esteves. Transfer, also 189. Number 8, number 7, J.D. Cruz. Ace. Scared down. Scared down yung Ace. Tingnan natin kung makakapag-service sa Ace. Service by Jersey number 3. Kaya po na. Set by Jersey number 8 to number 7. Direct. Violation. Takes favor. Right center. Ace with the service. Another service for Jersey number 2. Service ace by number 30. Number ace. Timeout. Eagles 189. Coach, salut ka rin.
Water.
Service by number 8. To number 7. 6-7. Bea. Bea Boras. Bea Bota. Service by Jersey number 1.
Nag-open na naman.
Number Ayoko. Service by Jersey number 3. Number 12. Pakitan. Number 7. Score 15-14. 14-18. Lamang ang wide 7. Outside.
Benzi o na.
16-14. Second to the floor. Marian Rivera.
Tingnan naman, Marian Rivera nga.
Good hustle. Service by Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Number 7. Service by number 7.
Yan, wow, wow, yan.
Service by JC number 4. Service final. 18-17. Service by JC number 5. Set by number 3 to Esteves. Straight shot. Number 1 to number 3.
Person pa lang.
Sayang.
Service by JC number 6. Service by JC number 3. Esteves to number 3. Basket by Eva. 23-20.
Ang daming bola eh.
Esteves. Check by number 3. To out. Last one.
Ang saradano sa Arwin.
Diretso na Pepe.
Tubig. Pagkain ko na to ah.
Ay, gogo!